In this video help, I'm going to be covering property maintenance, but what I'm going to cover here is the service status. What this is a drop-down list of different kinds of services that are related to the work that's being done on this service work order. And the way it works is you can scroll through and add or pick what you're looking for. In this case, I have an appointment set. But what you can do here too is you can click on this link. Anything that's underlined will go to another screen. And what happens, you click on it and it goes to this screen where you add an additional record. So for example, if you have different things that you want to add, you would go over to the Do action, come down and add a new record, and then go ahead and edit the screen up here when the new record field goes blank for the status list item. Add that status list item, and then that status list item will show up here in the list. When you add those new items, then they will appear back on the property management screen under property maintenance under this drop-down list. So that's where they're added and edited. The reason for doing this extra list is that when you're on an iPad, for example, and you click on this field, it's going to be a rotating screen where these things are not going to be editable. You can only pick from them in a picked list. So if you wanted to add or edit something, you would click on this and go to the list screen for service status and modify or add something to that. Now these are examples of stuff. You can go in and edit these. You don't need to use them, but if they are something you would use, keep them there and then add the additional ones you would need for different kinds of service. You can always add to these later. You don't need to have them all in there at one time, but this would make it quite simple to get started for the data that's in there now. Okay, if you have any questions, you can always use the chat on the support site to ask questions or send email to me. Thank you.